Baranor! You can't have run out of orcs in the city.
There are a few left, but we're hunting one in particular. The last bodyguard of the war chief leading the siege.
I think we're after the same orc, and the way to a war chief is through his bodyguards.
You sound like you've had some experience in this.
I've had enough.
I'll follow your lead.
Something.
Join your fallen brothers.
The assault on the middle city was glorious. Those pigskin. Did you hear that?
This is Minas Evil.
Someone killed the assassin. Ah, he was a laugh when he was in his cobs. Think the Overlord would be able to face down the spider? Not far from here. Sure, he's the toughest glob I've seen. I heard those little spiders are getting more daring, swarming Uruk like they was under someone's control. The ramblings of a bunch of...
For Gondor. With the gods from Gondor.
How many fortresses are there in Mordor anyway?
I don't like the sound.
No way.
See, he's not so fast.
Manfield! What is it with you, man swine? Always turning up where you're not welcome. Now it's up to me to make sure you don't leave Mordor alive.
Hit him again! Again!
Forgot that!
Hold it!
Give it!
The talk fell down! My turn!
They must have!
Drop!
I almost feel sorry for the war chief we're hunting. He'll be lonely without his bodyguards.
He'll join them soon enough.
The war chief Baranor seeks is just one of many, and they will continue their attacks on Minas Ithil.
Then our path is clear. Have to kill them all, and we'll need help from the Gondorians to do it.
Wait, my troops are ready. I'll take him. Heard that Sheloth's been restless again.
Man swine! You're lucky I let you go before. This time, I'll make you cry for mercy. Murder is fun! The top! There! Bloody fight! No escape for you!
You put too much faith in the spider. She only shows you what she wants.
Then tell me what you wish to see.
Minas Ethel still standing.
All was so selfless. Nothing more. We saw some troubling things last time, didn't we?
I want to know my fate with the Nazgul.
Be careful what you ask for, Ranger. With prophecy comes torment.
We take the city at dawn! Submit to your destiny.
I know what you fear, Talion. Shelob's vision is not cast in stone.
The Witch King.
It is the power of domination. The ring can enslave the minds of men.
What can be done?
Sacrifices must be made, and many will be lost. But we must hold to our purpose, no matter what the cost.
Lives can be saved. If the war chief from my vision is the same one Baranor and his men are hunting, they will need help.
One war chief makes little difference.
Right now, this one war chief is the most immediate threat to Minas Ethel. I will not stand by while Baranor and his men risk their lives to take him down. Baranor, I'm here to help. This war chief you're after, he's not one to be taken lightly.
We've brought down war chiefs before, Ranger. But I won't turn down an extra sword.
And we shall take him down together. I'll take out his archers first. Your men move in after I've cleared the path.
I wish I was with the siege beast crews. Goddamn. Too much can go wrong. And get crossed by a boulder. Or rather, the rocks. I want to see them fly.
We usually work alone. I hope the aim of these Gondorian archers is true. Otherwise, we'll be dodging friendly arrows.
They're experienced soldiers. They'll do their part.
They say you should put water on your whetstone when sharpening a blade. Makes for a finer edge. You have a point. But I've been a fool. A sharp blade is too good for man's. This is just what we need to bring them. Telling you, I rode a drake, I really did.
Elven archer would be worth 3 Gondorian archers.
Really? Only 3?
That's because it was a drake. And I landed fuzzy after the fall.
Never underestimate men fighting to protect their home.
This is not their home.
Whatever killed him, I just hope it stays away. In some time since I've seen this many captains together, one trying to kill each other. Why? That's because the war chief made them realize that by working together, they'll kill scores of men too, and take the city. True, but once the city is taken and the men are dead, we'll all be back at each other's throats. Every time I lean over the fort's battlements and look down the side of the mountain, talk about a drop. There. Stop looking over the wall if you don't want to be dizzy. These filthy Gondorians sneaking around, torching our civilians. Gotta stop them. Yeah, we need to catch them all, put them to the sword. Grog. Where'd the grog go? Come back, grog.
That's the last of the archers.
Now let's get to a vantage point.
I run into the Grave Walker. They say he's here. I'd like to show him how a real Uruk fights.
That would make I'd love to give that talk a good thrashing.
Time to signal Baranor's men.
Ah, the lovely smell of manfare. Nothing is sweeter. Together, we will crush their defenses and grind them to dust. Together, as captains and war chief united, we will have victory. Together, we take the city at dawn! Set them ablaze! For Gondor!
Now is the time to strike.
You maggot! You must be the fool who killed my bodyguards! You only delayed the inevitable. The blood of man-swine will flow into my belly today, and I'll drink yours first.
Enough talk! I'm tucking into him!
See the blade! Too many, Ranger! Taking glove! I got you! Here's something for you! On your knees, worm!
We're a long way from done, Ranger. On your feet! I'd say we're even. A good hunt. Less so for the war chief.
And his archers. We should go hunting again.
It would be my pleasure.
So, Talion, did we make a difference?
We cannot see your lens. We must return to Shelob.
The only reason to go back is for my ring.
Enough! This is about more than your ring. Or you! Her sight may be what saves us all.
Be wary, Talion. You trust her too easily.
I cannot ignore what she has shown me.